Ym Mhrifysgol Caerdydd, ceir llawer o gyfleoedd i ennill y sgiliau cyflogadwyaidd bydd angen arnoch mewn marchnad lafur gystadleuol i raddedigion. Mae cael gradd dda yn gam bwysig ar eich taith, ond mwyn cael eich swydd ddelfrydol, bydd rhaid i chi ymchwilio, cynllunio ymlaen llaw ac ennill profiad gwaith yn ogystal. Mae cyflogwyr yn rhoi profiad gwaith ar frig eu rhestr wrth recriwtio graddedigion. Gyda chymorth cyllid yr Undeb Ewropeaidd, mae gowales yn cydweithio am myfyrwyr cymwys mwyn dod o hyd i brofiad gwaith ar ei cyfer.
Gowales secured work shadowing for 3 days with Media Wales covering the journalists and the editors. The highlights are seeing how the newspapers were put together and how the company was run. I learned that there's a lot more that is put into a newspaper than I initially thought. The main benefit of the work shadowing was that I found out, although I really enjoyed the work experience, that the career I'd chosen wasn't for me. But now I know, because I've done it early, that I can work with gowales to find out what is for me.
So as a company, we're an incredibly fast-growing company, we're a relatively young company, and it's very important to us that we're able to find and source the best talent. In a city like Cardiff, a lot of that talent seems to be held within university, so it's a natural step for us to be working closely with the university and with the students to bring those people into our company so we can learn from them, and hopefully the students can learn from us as an organisation as well.
I worked with gowales because I didn't know where I could go to find the necessary experience I needed. I wasn't very well knowledged about the opportunities or who I could go speak to, because I have no prior experience. Gowales was actually amazing in finding me 2 different types of work experiences. One was a work taster, which was done with Cyflawni, and the second was an app development project, which was done with Proper. Throughout my placement, I learned quite a lot of soft skills, so problem solving was one of the major skills that I've actually picked up, because having no prior experience in developing an app for both iOS and Android, it was amazing to be able to set up so that it was working. Yes, gowales definitely helped me with my confidence and employability, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone.
So when Diddy came to join us, it was incredible, just the energy that she brought to the company, and actually the enthusiasm and the thirst for knowledge, but also the new ideas. It's something that you can't really interview for, but the second that she joined us, you could just feel the energy in the room, and it was infectious, and it really just brought us up a level. So yeah, it was fantastic to find.
Felly dyna ni. Gall profiad gwaith gwneud gwahaniaeth go iawn i'ch hyder, cyflogadwyaidd a ragolygon gwaith. Felly, ble bynnag y bwch o ran cynllunio ar gyfer swydd, nawr yw'r amser i gymryd y cam nesaf.